Hello and welcome. It's around 3 p.m. here in Seoul. I'm Ji-young, bringing you more of our special live coverage of President Yoon Suk-yeol's policy discussions with citizens. This is the 24th such discussion, and this time it'll be taking place in Cheongju, Chungcheongbuk-Do province, located south of Seoul and across the western and south-central parts of the country. Today's discussion will be under the theme of Chungcheongbuk-Do as Biotech Central. It is expected to focus on fostering the country's biotechnology industry in a biotech stronghold. Just to give you a little bit of background, South Korea plans to nurture global clusters for national strategic technologies, and biotech is also on its list. President Yoon has been calling for efforts to build a global biotech cluster and to grow the high-tech biohealth sectors as South Korea's next mainstay industries. While visiting Boston last year, he stressed the need to create a Korean version of the Boston Biotech Cluster's medical innovation hub with a fair compensation system and eased regulations. Also, South Korea has been announcing plans to lift regulations to boost biotechnology firms in order to nurture the industry as a new growth engine that's comparable to the semiconductor industry. Continuing with the momentum, President Yoon today is once again likely to emphasize the importance of fostering the nation's biotech industry. In just a moment, President Yoon will deliver his remarks as he has done so for the past 23 editions in other parts of the country. President Yoon has been holding policy discussions with citizens and sharing his pledges to support different regions in the nation. Yesterday, President Yoon visited Yongin City in Gyeonggi-do province, which he said will be a global semiconductor hub, and promised to back major infrastructure projects. He vowed to create the semiconductor expressway stretching across the cities of Yongin, Hwaseong, and Ansong, and open a master high school to support the chip ecosystem in the area. To facilitate these plans, the government will push for a law on special cities to give them more decision-making authority for their respective development plans. Now, the president is entering the meeting, and let's go straight to the scene.
We would like to begin the policy discussion with the people. Pledge allegiance to the nation. Please face the flag in front of you. Salute to the flag. At ease, please take your seats.
Standing at the center of high-tech biotechnology,
I would like to welcome all of you to Chungbuk. The President will deliver his opening remarks. Hello everyone, it's good to see you. At today's policy discussion. We're gathered here at Chungbuk, and this is located at the center of our country. So it is the heart of the Republic of Korea. Until now, the astounding development policies that were short for Chungbuk, we are going to talk about the ways to make those policies today. For the next 5 decades, we are going to talk about the growth engine of Chungbuk that will lead the Republic of Korea's economy. I am always pondering over what would be the technology that would, an industry that would lead the future of the Korean economy. And amongst them, the cutting-edge biotechnology comes first. Whenever I attend multilateral meetings, they always point out, the leaders of each country point out the cutting-edge biotechnology as national future strategic technology. And during my state visit last year to the U.S., I met a lot of MIT scholars, and they also named this high-tech biotechnology as a game changer that will change the future. Moreover, this cutting-edge biotechnology is actually going beyond the traditional biotech industry, but it is also bringing a lot of innovation across a lot of different industries. And also, it's very instrumental in terms of solving the issues of the humanities. Actually, the size of the global high-tech biomarket is expanding. As of 2021, it was $2 trillion USD, which is about 2,500 trillion, and this is projected to expand to $4 trillion in 2035, which is 5,200 trillion won. So in the next decade, this market will be doubled, and this is actually a projection, statistical projection, and I believe it will go beyond such projection. And the GDP is about $1 trillion around the world, and given this fact, the high-tech biotechnology size of this much is quite a amount, and that is why developed countries are rushing to occupy this industry, and it has unlimited opportunities and potential, tremendous potential, and we should not just sit idly by, and we have to expedite our endeavors. Traditional biotechnology until now was because it had to have R&D bases, and that is why it was dominated by a handful of Western advanced countries. However, at the moment, the high-tech biotechnology, there was a major shift to high-tech biotechnology, combining AI and digital, and this is opening up huge opportunities for us. We have the world's best talent and high-quality medical data, and in the biosimilar production industry, we are fast catching up with the advanced countries, and therefore we have a lot of data, and we have the experience of transforming into a digital powerhouse faster than any other country in the world. So with our existing bio capabilities, these strong points will be combined, and we will be able to become a first mover leading the high-tech biotechnology era, and I firmly believe this. And that is why today, for the leap forward to high-tech bio, I would like to propose the direction of the Advanced Bio Initiative. First of all, the government will support the digital bio field that is combining the AI and other technologies. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang also said that biotech is the brightest industry in the future. It was announced by him. Like Google and Microsoft, these big data companies are also using AI as their strong points, and they are participating in this market. We also have to use the AI to enter the market of new drug development and digital therapeutics. And we have to significantly increase the investment in this regard. The innovative and challenging research should be taking place, and we are going to support this endeavor significantly.
첨단 바이오의 성패는
The high-tech
양질의 바이오 데이터를 잘 모아서 제대로 활용하는
For
데
it to
있습니다.
succeed, we have to utilize properly the data. And that is why we have to have a biodata platform so that the industry, the academia, and the medical sector could be linked together.
아울러 첨단 바이오 기술을 기반으로
Based on our high-tech technology, the quality of life of the people and the welfare of the people will be significantly increased. First of all, the digital, the mental health that is cured by software treatment would be opened up, especially with the brain study, like panic attacks and depression that many of us are suffering from. We are going to support the development in relevant chips, and also like cell therapeutics and genetic therapeutics will be enhanced with these technologies. So innovative biomedicines to this end to treat incurable diseases and also maximize the treatment effect would be brought about. And also, with our support, the diagnosis of geriatric diseses such as dementia and the development of the treatment for reverse aging technology will be supported. So this biotech industry will lead the future industries, in particular the petrochemical-based material industry will be transformed into bio-based one, and we are going to make affordable genetic treatments, and so that this could be a catalyst in developing other related industries. And this will also improve the competitiveness of our manufacturing industry. And such high-tech bio is very instrumental. It's a pivotal key to solving common challenges that is facing the humanity. First of all, with the green technology, we are going to bring forward the carbon-free economy. And also, the smart farms will be expanded that will not be hindered by any climate changes, so that we can have stable produce and outcome. And this will lead to food security. A lot of experts say that, and they project that it is inevitable that we are going to have another pandemic. And for us to prepare for the next pandemic, the mRNA technology should be secured.
이를 위해 정부는
And to this end, the government, from next year onwards, the R&D investment will be dramatically increased. And the innovative and challenging researches, as well as the new researchers, to grow into a global researcher, we are going to support. The taxation support and the deregulation will take place so that these new technologies could come to the market as soon as possible, so that our market could lead this industry itself. Based on this, the high-tech biotech is going to be the next generation key industry. 2020
43조 원대였습니다.
In 2020, the production of this industry was around 43 trillion won, and we are going to make the basis for it to grow into 200 trillion won by 2035. And to this end, like smart farm and technology and pharmaceutical companies and medical devices companies, there will be global top 5 companies that are coming out in these industries. And also, at the moment, we have around 400 companies that we are going to increase to 1,000 so that this could be a growth ecosystem of the industry. Today,
우리 대한민국의 첨단 바이오 이니셔티브
talking about the Republic of Korea's high-tech biotechnology, and why I am announcing this in Chungbuk is because Chungbuk it will be the advanced base for high-tech biotechnology of the Republic of Korea.
충북은 1994년
Province, in 1994, it had established the National R&D Center for Biotechnology, and ever since it has been carrying out efforts to grow this industry. And from 2000, after 2000, there were many different ministries and relevant agencies that relocated to Chungbuk, and now it is really living up to its name. And at the moment, the revenue is more than 2 trillion won in this industry. So with this high-tech biotechnology era, we are going to make this elevate this status, and we're going to make this a Boston cluster of a Korean version, and we are going to create K-BioSquare, where universities, research institutes, and bio companies come together with service companies in the field of law, finance, and accounting. So we believe that this will induce a great amount of employment. K-BioSquare is named after the Boston Square.
또한 AI와 바이오 융합을 위해서
AI and bio convergence of these two, we need
AI 바이오
human talents who could think in this way. And we're also going to create schools to this end, and together with KAIST, we will nurture the talents that are fit for the region. And also, for us to expand this biotechnology, the equipment and materials sector for the biotechnology that are dependent on foreign companies at the moment will be made domestic. And it is crucial. The parts and materials are crucial. So for us to become the real bio high-tech industry, we need not only the biotechnology industry to grow, but also these parts and materials industry should also be coming hand in hand in terms of their growth. And the government will support to this end. For this, last July, Osong was named as the Biomaterials Parts and Equipment Specialized Complex. 1.6 trillion won of investment, private sector investment will take place, and the government will support this endeavor.
정부는 의대 정원을
The government
2,000명 증원하기로 결정하고 지난 3월
decided
20일
to
충북
hike
지역
the
의대
medical
정원을
school quota by 2,000, and the number of medical schools in Chungbuk region has been increased by 211 from 89 to 300, and we expect these doctors will work in the region and conduct R&D studies
첨단 바이오 분야
thereby
발전에도 큰
contributing
활약을 할 것입니다.
greatly to the development
정부도
of the
지역 인재 양성을 위한
biotechnology field.
재정 투자를 아끼지 않을 것입니다.
And the government
그것이
will
바로
help
국민의 건강을
in this
지키고
regard, and that is
생명을
the only
살리는
way
길입니다.
to save the lives of the
아울러
people.
충북을
And also
첨단 재생
충북
의료 기술 실증과 환자
will
치료의
go
중심으로
under
육성하겠습니다. 올해
go under a
충북이
transformation
첨단 재생 의료 글로벌 혁신
for
특구
the
지정됐습니다.
regenerative
앞으로 규제 특례와
medicine field
재정 지원을 통해
and
특구의
with
병원과 기업들이
favorable
첨단 재생 의료를
tax
보다 자유롭고
benefits
신속하게
and also
환자
the
치료에
support.
이용할 수 있도록
We
하겠습니다.
hope that these
이를
technologies
통해
could be
연 2만
utilized
명
to
이상으로
treat
추정되는
patients.
해외 원정 환자들이
And
이제
by doing
충북에서
so, we
안전하게
believe
가장 먼저
around
다양한 치료를
20,000
받을 수 있을
patients who are going overseas for their treatment will
아울러
be able
충북은
to
국내
get
최대의
treatment
2차
at
전지
Chungbuk.
생산 거점이기도
And
합니다.
also, Chungbuk
배터리를
is
생산하는
the biggest
LG
secondary
에너지
battery
솔루션과
production
LG
site, and LG
에코프로비엠 등
chemicals and
핵심
Ecoprobium,
소재
and
업체가
all these
충북에 있습니다.
materials companies are
이러한
situated
충북의
in
잠재력을 집중
Chungbuk.
지원하기 위해
So with
지난해
these
7월
potentials, we are going to focus on the
2차 전지
support.
첨단 전략
And
산업
last year,
특화단지로
it was
지정했습니다.
named as the secondary battery
특화단지에
strategic
예정된 4조 원 규모의
complex.
민간 투자를
The 4
뒷받침할 수
trillion
있도록
won
인허가를 신속히
investment
처리하고 전력
could
공급과 같은
go
기반
through
인프라
by our
구축을 적극
support in
지원할
the
것입니다.
regulation.
또한 배터리
And
아카데미를
also,
운영하고
we are going to operate a battery
2차 전지
academy, and the
특성화 대학원을
secondary
지정하여
battery
향후 5년간
graduate
5,000명
school will be
이상의
designated
배터리
so that we
핵심
will
인재를
have
양성하겠습니다.
more than 5,000 human
농업
resources
분야에도
in this
첨단 바이오
field.
디지털 기술을 접목해서
And in the
청년들이
agriculture
선호하는
sector,
고부가 가치
by
산업으로
combining
농업을
these high
탈바꿈시키겠습니다.
technologies, this will
올해 1월 바이오 기술 융복합을 통한 농업 혁신을
this area will
체계적으로 지원하기
also
위해 그린 바이오 산업 육성에 관한
work
법률을
towards
제정했습니다.
the
앞으로 충북에도
advanced
그린 바이오
agricultural
산업 육성 지구를
industry, and we
지정하고
have newly
기존에
designated
발전된
Chungbuk
바이오
as Green
산업들과
Bio Development
연계해서
District.
그린 바이오 클러스터를 조성하겠습니다.
And connecting with
그린
other
바이오
relevant
관련
industries, the
기업,
Green
연구기관,
Bio
대학들이 한
Cluster
곳에
will
모여
be generated.
공동 연구,
So
기술
all the
실증,
universities
제품
and
고도화를 진행하게
research
하겠습니다.
labs come together so that they
충북의
can have
바이오
a
관련
cooperative
기업과 전문
study
인력 등 탄탄한 인프라와 농업
with
자원을
very
결합해서
strong
충북을
infrastructure
그린 바이오
and the
선도 지역으로
resources in the
바꾸겠습니다.
agricultural industry. Chungbuk will turn into a green bio leading region.
충북의 교통
And
관광
also
인프라도
the
대폭
transportation
확충하겠습니다.
and tourism infrastructure will be expanded
국토의
in
중심부에
earnest in
위치해서
Chungbuk.
전국
Since it is
어디서든
located at
접근성이
the center of
가장 좋습니다.
our country,
청계산과
the
같은 천혜의
transportation
산림 관광 자원도
and
보유하고
the
있습니다.
location is very favorable, and it has a lot
울진에서
of
태안까지
great
우리나라의
landscapes,
동과 서를 잇는
and we have
849km
the
장거리 숲길인 동서 트레일의
849
중심입니다.
kilometers
이곳을
of
전국
forest
숲길의
trails,
허브로
which
육성해서
forest trail, which is
더 많은
east-west
관광객이
trail,
찾아오게
and we're
하고
going to nurture
양질의
this
일자리를
trail so
만들어내겠습니다.
that we can
지역에서
develop
원하는
this
대규모
product
프로젝트
and
추진을
also
뒷받침하기
attract
위해
more people to
올해는
this region.
지역 활성화 투자 펀드가 출범합니다.
And also, a regional revitalization investment fund will be launched this
이
year,
펀드를 충분히
and
활용할 수 있도록
utilizing to
정부에서
the
많은
maximum
규모를
of this
배정할
fund, the government will allocate as much as possible.
충북이 지리적
On top
장점을
of this,
살려 중부권 교통 거점으로 도약하도록
utilizing the
우리
advantages
항공
of
수요가
its
지속적으로 증가하는 데 발맞춰 중부권 거점 공항인
location, we
청주국제공항의
are going
국내선
to
여객 터미널 확장 사업을 올해 시작할
expand
것입니다.
the
더
domestic
많은 항공편이 운영될 수
terminal
있도록
for
비행기
Cheongju
주기장을 확대하는
Airport,
사업도 올해 착수합니다.
and this will start this year. The construction will start this year.
청주 공항을 중심으로
Centered
철도와
around
도로 등
Cheongju Airport,
교통
the railway,
인프라도
and
대폭 확충할 것입니다. 천안에서 청주
roads
공항을
will also be
연결하는
expanded.
전철은
From Cheonan to
설계를
Cheongju
조속히 마치고
Airport, the
내년
railway
상반기부터 공사를
would
시작할 것입니다.
be planned, and the construction will begin next year. And from Cheongju Airport to Daecheon, the transportation network will be planned, and within my term, the construction will begin. And also the Chungbu Express Highway and the 55 kilometers to Hubop, the lanes will be expanded to 6 lanes from 4 at the moment. And at the end of this year, with the pre-feasibility study starting, the study will be completed within my term so that the construction can begin within my term. And Chungbuk will be connected with the CTX project to other parts, and the maximum speed will be 100 kilometers per hour, so that the commuting time would be significantly shortened. This is a private project, and we are also going to select the favorable, the preferential partner during this year. The future industries of Chungbuk that I have mentioned today is very important and is pivotal to the development of Korean economy. Changing the future of Chungbuk is changing the future of the Republic of Korea. We are going to keep abreast of all of these initiatives that I have announced today. Today we're joined by Kim Young-hwan, the governor, and also citizens of Chungbuk, as well as experts in the high-tech biotechnology. Governor Kim is a doctor turned parliamentarian, and he was also the Minister of Science and Technology. So he would be the one be fit for this job to turn Chungbuk into a high-tech biotechnology cluster. And for the future of Chungbuk, I am going to indeed strengthen the collaboration with Governor Kim. The high-tech biotechnology will be the basis, and Chungbuk will take a great leap forward. I look forward to your great opinions. Thank you.
Well, that concludes our special coverage of President Yoon Suk-yeol's policy discussion with citizens held in Cheongju, Chungcheongbuk-Do province. During today's event, the president unveiled a new initiative to grow the biotech sector as South Korea's next mainstay industry. The plan includes building what will be a Korean version of Boston Biotech Cluster's medical innovation hub in Chungcheongbuk-Do province. Also, expanding transportation infrastructure in the region will further support the plan. Thank you for watching. We'll be back at 6 p.m. Korea time with News Center. Bye for now.